Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer of King's Designs MD. Today, I just found a new vendor resource, and I wanted to share. So, I'm looking at displays to go. A lot of times when we're having our pop-up shop and vendor events, we're looking for a new way to display our merchandise. So, I'm in here looking at retail merchandising, and I picked a couple of things to look at. But as you can see, they have all types of shelves, racks, pegboards, which I know is popular right now for anybody doing earrings. So I just wanted to share really quickly. I am kind of just perusing the site because I never heard of them before today. Maybe some of you guys have heard of them. Maybe you've used them. If you have used them, let me know what you thought about their displays and how the service was and the quality. But this was something that's new to me. And we just saw some things, if you saw as I was scrolling, some things were listed for like $800. But here's some things if you have a smaller budget, countertop cardboard solutions. So if you want to make some tiered items or you need some additional signage, lollipop holders, this is cute for small items. Now that's not something that's it's not something that's going to last you forever because it's cardboard. You need something more durable if you're doing things over and over again. But it's definitely something nice to get you started. So again, I'm just looking through here. It's a lot of great items. And I never heard of this before. So I'm just looking at some things that I can get from my next pop-up shop or farmer's market, whichever I'll be attending, because you just want to get better and better after each session. So again, let me know. Have you guys heard of this before? Have you ordered from them before? This is really cute. Let me know what's worked for you. And if you haven't used these guys before, but you have a partnership or you've used a company before that's been really good for you, drop it in the comment section so we can know where to get some of these items and make our displays better. Have a great day.